master the basics of system functionality. Ensuring your Apollo Wing Walker Pushback system is paired and ready for use. Step 1. System Overview. The Apollo Wing Walker Pushback system supports between 2 and 4 users, operating through a central communication bag. This bag can be identified by its power switch on the side. Inside the front pocket, you'll find the WTX units. The rear pocket contains the intercom box and power pack, which form the core of the system. The second bag includes the bug headset, generally used by the tug driver, along with the air interface and chargers. Additional headsets, up to 3, can also be connected to support tailwalkers or other ground crew roles. Together, these make up the complete system. Step 2. System Setup. Before operation, ensure all devices are charged and correctly paired. The bug headset must be paired to both the air interface and the Apollo Central bag, with the left dome connected to the air interface and the right dome to the bag. All other headsets should be paired directly to the Apollo bag. For pairing details, refer to the system pairing video. Confirm that the power pack is at least 50% charged, the system is switched on, and the intercom light is flashing green. If the light is permanently green, press the black knob on the front once. The volume control should typically be set between 11 and 2 o'clock. When positioning the central bag, ensure the side with the WTX units faces the aircraft at chest height, beside the tug driver. Step 3. Microphone Function Test. With the system powered on, make sure all latch switches are in the live microphone position. Place one headset on your head and lightly scratch the microphone on the other headset. You should hear the sound clearly. Repeat this by swapping headsets and scratching again to confirm audio is being picked up in all directions. During this test, ensure the latch button actively turns the microphone on and off by pressing it when testing every headset. Note: on the bug headset, you will not hear sound from the left dome, as this side connects to the aircraft cockpit. If 2 or more people are available, each can wear a headset and speak to confirm two-way communication. Step 4. Volume Control Test. If you're testing alone, place one headset near a noise source such as a radio or mobile device playing music. Wear the second headset and check that you can hear the sound clearly. Use the volume control to confirm that audio can be increased and decreased smoothly. Once checked, swap the headsets and repeat the process to ensure all volume controls work correctly. Note: ensure the central bag remains powered on during this test to maintain the communication link. If 2 or more people are available, this test can also be carried out by speaking into one headset, while the others adjust volume for clarity. Step 5. Range Test. With one headset positioned near the noise source, wear the second and walk up to 150 meters line of sight. You should continue to hear clear, uninterrupted audio. Ensure the central bag is positioned at chest height and that there are no physical objects such as walls, vehicles, or dips in the ground between you and the bag. Repeat the process for all headsets to confirm consistent range and clarity across the system. Note: if 2 or more people are available, each can wear a headset and talk while walking apart to confirm consistent communication range. Step 6. First level fault finding. If you experience any issues during testing, take a moment to pause the video and review these quick checks and troubleshooting advice.